Hello friends, and welcome to the October competition draw. I'm Kira from Magnetic Mobility, and today is all about spreading joy and excitement as we pick this month's lucky winner. But before we dive into the draw, let's take a sneak peek at what's coming up. This month's in-person event is something you won't want to miss: Christmas markets. Join us within the enchanting grounds of Swords Castle for 2 weekends of festive fun on November 25th and 26th, and again on December 2nd and 3rd. So come along for a magical Christmas experience with us and a host of fantastic vendors. You can find all the merry details in our blog post located in the events section of our website, magneticmobility.ie. I'll leave a link below as well. And now for something new. We're thrilled to introduce our latest additions, the Columbine Copper Bracelet and the Thale Knight and Thale Star 4-in-1 double row magnetic bracelets. They're available right now on our website, magneticmobility.ie, and I'll leave a link below as well. Now, let's get around to our much anticipated draw, but first, let me share a tantalizing teaser. If you caught a glimpse of our stand at the Ideal Home Show in the RDS, you'd have noticed our newest additions. We're ecstatic to announce that we'll soon be launching matching earrings for our Birthstone gift sets, complementing the collection for all 12 months. Keep a close watch on your emails for that shimmering update, and if you're not subscribed yet, sign up to our newsletter for a 10% discount on your first purchase and early access to our new arrivals. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, drum roll please. The winner is Tracy Rooney. A massive congratulations to you, Tracy. We'll be in touch soon to arrange your prize. If you didn't win this time, keep your chin up. Our monthly draw means monthly chances to win. Simply visit our website magneticmobility.ie/pages/monthly giveaway, or search monthly giveaway to sign up. If you can't find the sign up box, click the link here. For our email subscribers, or for those who are already subscribed, just clicking any link in our end of month competition email automatically enters you into the draw. Remember, you could win a bracelet of your choice from our €55 range. And with Christmas on the horizon, remember us for gifts that truly resonate. Each of our bracelets is nestled in luxury, eco-friendly packaging, and for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint, we offer a no jewellery box option, presenting your bracelet in a sustainable satin bag. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay stylish and full of cheer.